We're here for another math tutorial, and it's about perimeter, and this lesson is for grade 4. So what is a perimeter? A perimeter refers to the total distance na meron ng isang plane figure. So ito yung mga gagamitin nating mga formula para sa ating mga specific na figure. So for square, gagamitin natin yung formula na P is equal to 4 times S. For rectangle, we have P is equal to 2L plus W. Triangle is P is equal to S of 1, S of 2, plus S of 3. And for other polygons, we have P is equal to S of 1 plus S of 2, S of 3, and so on until kung ilan yung number of sides na meron ang ating polygon na naka-indicate. So for square, we have P is equal to 4 times S. Ano nga ba tong formula na to? We all know that square has 4 equal sides, and yung 4 dito ay nagre-represents dun sa 4 equal sides na meron ng isang square, at yung S dito is yung measurement ng isang side ng ating square. For rectangle, P is equal to 2L plus W. Ano nga ba ang definition ng isang rectangle? A rectangle has two pairs of equal sides. So, meron dalawang pair ng equal sides. Ano nga ba ang L at ano naman ang W? Ang L refers to the length of the rectangle, and yung W naman refers to the width of a rectangle. So, in a rectangle, meron dyang dalawang length at dalawang width. That's why you have 2 dito sa ating formula. Ang next naman natin ay the formula of a triangle. So, you have P is equal to S of 1 plus S of 2 plus S of 3. Ngayon, we all know that a triangle has 3 sides, and pagsasama-samahin nyo lang yung measurement ng side na yon. For S of 1, that's the first side. Second side, yung S of 2, at yung S of 3 naman is the third side. Now, for other polygon, please use this formula. P is equal to S of 1 plus S of 2 plus S of 3 and S of N. Ngayon, yung N dito represents the number of sides na meron ang polygon natin. For Pentagon, you have 5 sides. So, until 5 hanggang S of 5 kayo. Then, for Hexagon, you have 6 sides. And for Heptagon naman, you have 7 sides. And so, example number 1. Given ang isang square na may measurement na 75 cm. So, here's the formula. You have P is equal to 4 times S. Now, here's what you're going to do. Yung 4 dyan ay kokopyahin nyo lang sa formula and also the multiplication na operation. Now, here's what you're going to do. Yung S dyan ay papalitan nyo or isa-substitute nyo kung ano yung measurement na given doon sa ating square. Since doon sa side ng ating square given ang 75 cm, that's the measurement of the side, isa-substitute nyo lang siya. Papalitan nyo lang yung S ng 75 cm. Then after that, multiply nyo yung 75 cm by 4. So 75 times 4 is 300 cm. So, kukopihin nyo lang yung unit na ginamit doon sa ating square. Let's have another example. Example number 2. Given ang isang square ulit na may measurement sa side niya na 120 inches. Same formula yung gagamitin. P is equal to 4 times S. Now, yung 4 is kakopy lang and also the multiplication na operation. Then, isa-substitute nyo lang yung value ng S or yung measurement ng side ng ating square, which is 120 inches. So, 120 inches, isa-substitute natin dun sa S. So, instead of S, gagamitin na natin yung 120 inches. Then, multiply it by 4. 120 times 4 is 480. Then, yung unit na gagamitin nyo is same lang nung gagamitin or yung binigay na measurement, unit ng measurement doon sa square or doon sa given square. So, ang susunod naman na example ay for rectangle naman. So, we have this rectangle having a measurement of 60 millimeter by 20 millimeter. So, first is you have to identify which is the length and which is the width. Now, for length, ang titingnan nyo lang is the horizontal line or this line. Yan. That will be your length. And your width is the vertical line. So, yung patayo. Yung line na patayo is your width. So, yung length natin is 60 millimeters and yung 20 natin is, yung width natin is 20 millimeters. So, of course, you have to use the formula which is P is equal to 2L plus W. Now, same process as nung sa square. Copy lang yung 2. Then, since na-identify nyo na kung ano yung length at alin yung width, you just have to substitute kung ano yung measurement ng length at alin yung measurement ng width. So, yung length niya dyan is 60 at yung width is 20. Next, yung gagawin nyo ay i-add nyo muna yung length at width. So, yung 60 mm at saka yung 20 mm, i-add ninyo. So, 60 plus 20, you have 80 millimeters. Then, after that, yung pinaka-last step nyo is you have to multiply it by 2. So, 80 times 2 is 160. Then, yung magiging unit ninyo is same nung ginamit doon sa measurement or sa given measurement which is millimeter. So, kukompehin nyo lang. Next, for example number 2, given ang isang rectangle having a measurement of 110 yards and 45 yards. So, which is the length and which is the width? The length is itong nakahiga, which is 110 yards, and the width will be the 45 yards or yung vertical line dito or yung vertical side. Now, same formula pa rin yung gagamitin nyo. You just have to use the formula 2L plus width. So, since na-identify nyo na kung ano yung length, the length will be 110 yards. So, you just have to substitute the 110 yards. Same as the width. Yung width na 45 yards, isa-substitute nyo dun sa W. So, 45 yards. Then, you just have to add the 110 and 45 yards. So, 110 plus 45 is 155. Then, multiply it by 2. So, 155 multiplied by 2 is 310. Then, the unit you're going to use is still yards. You don't have to change it. Yards pa rin. So, the perimeter of this rectangle is 310 yards. So let's continue. Given this kind of triangle having a side of 25 centimeters, 25 centimeter, and 18 centimeter. So formula natin is P is equal to S of 1 plus S of 2 plus S of 3. So yun yung formula na gagamitin. Then, ang gagawin nyo lang is to substitute kung alin yung magiging first side nyo, second side, and yung third side. Kahit alin dyan, pwedeng maging first side, second side, and third side. So let's say that this will be our first side. So you have 25 centimeter. This will be our second side, which is 25 centimeter again. Then this will be our third side. So 18. So ang gagawin nyo lang is pagsasama-samahin nyo yung tatlo. You have 25 plus 25 is 50 plus 18, you have 68. Then yung unit na gagamitin natin is centimeter. Next, for example number 2, given this kind of triangle having a measurement of the side which 20 centimeter, 25 centimeter, and 30 centimeter. So same formula. P is equal to S of 1, S of 2 plus S of 3. Then kahit alin dyan, pwedeng maging S of 1 nyo. So let's say this one will be your S of 1, 20 centimeter. This will be your second side, which is 25 centimeter, and the third side, which is 30 centimeter. So add nyo lang 20 plus 25 plus 30 is 75 centimeters. Sunod naman natin ngayon ay tungkol sa other polygon. So first, let us deal with regular polygons. Yung mga regular polygons, ito yung mga kinds of polygon na may pare-parehas na measurement sa bawat side niya. So, for example, we have a regular hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. So, given itong example na to, having a measurement of 20 millimeters, gagamitin natin ngayon yung formula na P is equal to S of 1 plus S of 2 plus S of 3 plus S of 4 plus S of 5 plus S of 6. Ngayon, bakit nakaabot tayo hanggang S of 6? It is because we're dealing with a regular or a hexagon. Okay? Hexagon has 6 sides. That's why 6 din yung pinakadulo ng ating formula. Ngayon, ganun pa rin yung gagawin natin. Same process. We just have to substitute the measurement of each side. So, since regular hexagon yan, pare-parehas lang ang measurement ng bawat side. Ito, yan lahat ay magkakaparehas na 20 mm. So, substitute na natin. 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 is 120 mm. Ngayon, meron din shortcut. Since regular yan, regular hexagon, ang una nyong gagawin, pwede kayong mag-formulate ng sarili nyong formula. Since regular hexagon to, and hexagon, you all know that the hexagon has 6 sides. So you put 6, then multiply it by S, or the side, the measurement of the side. So 6 times, kagaya ng ginagawa nyo sa square, papalitan nyo lang yung S ng measurement ng side, which is 20. So papalitan nyo lang yung S ng 20. Then multiply it, 20 times 6 is 120 mm. So as you can see, kahit anong formula yung gagamitin ninyo, mag-arrive pa rin kayo sa same answer. So, yung next natin is a regular pentagon. So, pentagon naman has 5 sides. So, gagamitin nating formula is P is equal to S of 1 plus S of 2 plus S of 3 plus S of 4 plus S of 5. So, as you can see, hanggang 5 tayo. It is because pentagon has 5 sides. Then, same pa rin yung gagawin natin. Substitute nyo lang yung value ng bawat side. Ngayon, since regular pentagon to, pare-parehas ang measurement ng bawat side niyan. So, 55 plus 55 plus 55 plus 55 plus 55, you'll get 275 centimeter. Or, you can formulate your own formula. Okay, since alam nyo na ang pentagon has 5 sides, you put 5, then multiply it by the measurement of the side. Then, so you have P is equal to 5 times S. Substitute the value of S, or the measurement of the side. You have 55. So 5 times 55 is 275 centimeters. So same pa rin ang answer kahit anong formula yung gagamitin ninyo. So it's up to you kung ano yung gagamitin ninyo when it comes to finding a perimeter of a regular polygon. So yung susunod natin is how are you going to find the perimeter of an irregular polygon. So pag sinabi natin irregular polygon, ito yung mga polygons na magkakaiba yung measurement ng bawat isa. Okay? So for example, for this example, we have an irregular hexagon. So formula na gagamitin natin is P is equal to S of 1 plus S of 2 plus S of 3 plus S of 4 plus S of 5 plus S of 6. It is because a hexagon has 6 sides. Now, but we're dealing with an irregular hexagon. Ngayon, first is identify nyo muna or analyze nyo muna yung figure. So, bilangin natin yung side if it's a irregular hexagon talaga. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, you have 6 sides. Ngayon, kung makikita ninyo, mayroon ako nilagay dito na mga yellow lines here. O, ibig sabihin yan, that itong side na to, itong side na to, itong side na to, itong side na to, na may indicator ng yellow line, has a measurement of 10 inches. Pare-pareha silang 10 inches. Then after that, kung makikita nyo or kung mapapansin niyo naman dito sa side na to at itong side na to ay may dalawang white white lines. Ngayon, ang ibig sabihin naman yan, that this side and this side ay merong parehas na 20 inches. So, yan lang yung ginamit nating measurement, or ito yung magiging indicator ninyo kung ano yung measurement ng bawat side na yan. Okay? So, that means for these yellow lines, pare-para silang 10 inches. And ito namang dalawang white lines naman na to ay nag-indicate na 20 inches at pareha silang 20 inches. Now, go back to the formula or sa process natin. Substitute nyo lang ngayon yan. So, this can be your first side, this can be your second side, third side, and fourth side. So, it's up to you. Ikaw ang magde-decide kung anong side yung gagamitin mo dyan, as long as make sure na tama yung sinasubstitute ninyo. So, first side will be 10. 10. Second side will be also 10. Third side will be 10. Fourth side will be 10 also, 10 inches. Then, for the fifth side, kahit alin dito, pwede maging fifth side mo. So, 20 inches plus another 20. Then, add nyo na lang lahat yan. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 20 plus 20, you'll get 80 inches. Ganun lang po ang pag-solve ng irregular hexagon. You just have to analyze the figure itself. So, let's try this example. So, identify muna natin kung anong klase ng polygon itong figure na to. So, for us to identify what kind of polygon is this, you just have to count the number of side it has. So, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So, a polygon having a 12 side is called dodecagon. So, this kind of polygon is called dodecagon. And as you can see, it is an irregular dodecagon because magkakaiba yung measurement ng side ng bawat side. Okay? Ngayon, ang formula na gagamitin natin is S of 1 plus S of 2 plus S of 3 until S of 12. Dahil 12 sides meron ng dodecagon. So, you have 12 here. Now, una is i-analyze nyo muna yung ating figure or yung ating dodecagon, yung ating polygon. Ngayon, kung makikita ninyo, meron ditong yellow lines. Itong mga yellow lines na yan ay pare-parehas ng measurement. And itong dalawang lines na white naman ay may parehas din na measurement. And same as these three lines na color blue, meron din silang parehas na measurement. So for this yellow line muna, so itong line na to, itong side na to, ito, at ito, tsaka yan, ay merong measurement na 10 millimeters. Now, for these two white lines, meron silang measurement na 15 millimeters. And for this three lines na color blue, meron silang measurement na 50 millimeters. Now, since na-analyze na natin yung ating polygon, yung susunod natin gagawin is substitute na natin yung mga value ng side or yung measurement ng bawat side. So, para mas madali nating magawa yung pag-substitute, sabihin natin yung S of 1 until S of 8 will be the yellow. Itong 10 millimeters na yan para mas madali. So, 10 millimeters ang isa-substitute natin from S of 1 until S of 8. So, 10 millimeters plus 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 10 millimeters. Then, yung side or 9th side natin or yung 10th side natin will be this side, yung 15 millimeters. Now, 15 millimeters plus 15 millimeters and yung magiging 11th side natin at saka yung 12th side natin will become or will be 50 millimeters. So, add na natin plus 50 millimeters plus 50 millimeters. Kasi dalawa silang 50, dalawa yung 15, at 8 yung may measurement na 10 millimeters. So, i-add nyo lang yan lahat. And pag na-add nyo lahat yan, so 8 yung 10 natin, 8 times 10 is 80, plus 15 plus 15 is 30. 80 plus 30 is 110, plus 50 plus 50 you have 100. 110 plus 100 is 210 millimeters. So, ayan na po yung lesson natin for today about perimeter.